You're gonna love the 2021 Honda Passport. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.